Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering sources and the assignment rubric so you know the goal. Open PowerPoint, pick 16, 9 unless your classroom uses older projectors, and create a title slide with name, date, and a concise thesis. Once done, outline 4-6 main points on paper so slides follow a logical arc. Make sure to save with a clear file name and enable autosave. This prevents data loss. This seed stage sets structure and reduces rewrites later. You now convert your outline into slides. One main idea per slide keeps attention. Add a clear heading, 3 to 5 short bullets, and visuals that illustrate data, charts for numbers, images for examples. Once inserted, compress pictures and videos to keep the file under classroom upload limits. Make sure fonts and colors are consistent. This strengthens readability and professionalism. Also check slide transitions. Subtle fades are fine, flashy effects distract. Finally, you finish by rehearsing the full presentation aloud, timing each slide to hit the assignment length. Add concise speaker notes for cues, verify citations on a final slide, and run spell check. Once satisfied, export a PDF for backup and save a PPTX for animations. Then test the file on the presentation computer or a USB stick. If something breaks, like missing fonts, embed fonts, or use a PDF, this resolves most compatibility issues quickly, so you can present with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.